Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace license plate light bulbs Toyota RAV4 updated. Start by opening the rear hatch and locating the plastic lens above the plate. Gently pry the lens using a flat blade tool, remove the lens, then pull the bulb straight out. Insert the replacement bulb until it seats, reinstall the lens, and test the light to confirm it illuminates correctly before closing the hatch. Begin by removing the plastic lens carefully to avoid cracks or scratches, then locate the bulb and gently pull it straight out of its socket. If it resists, wiggle slightly while pulling, but avoid twisting hard. Inspect the old bulb for damage or corrosion and compare it to the replacement to ensure correct size and type. Clean the socket if needed, then press the new bulb fully into place until it feels secure. If this walkthrough is saving you time and stress, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful how-tos. Quick recommendation. Here's a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, a small read that pairs well with saving for repairs and upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After inserting the new bulb, carefully reattach the plastic lens by aligning tabs and pressing until it snaps into place without forcing. Turn on the lights or open the hatch to check the license plate lamp illuminates evenly. If it flickers, reseat the bulb and check the socket for corrosion. Clean any fingerprints off the lens and dispose of the old bulb safely according to local guidelines before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.